Hello YouTube. This is a remake with a decent microphone connected to my PC, and we're giving this one a trial to bring you a touch closer here. What you're looking at on the screen here is an icom IC7100. It's the connection for the external tuner. This is the part number on the schematic. If I bring this up a touch, it's an EP741, which according to the parts list is an MPZ2012S 601A. It's an 0805 sized ferrite bead with a 0.1 of an ohm resistance. So there we go. We'll bring this one back up now, and the gentleman unplugged the tuner and unplugged the while the radio was still powered, tuner was still powered, blah blah blah. That's the result. We did change it, struggled a lot, and I'll bring this one up a touch more. There was a bit of it actually embedded a piece of the ferrite on the track here. It was a bit of a struggle to get it in, but we managed. It's sorted, and the old man's back on the air. So that's just a word of caution for anyone and everyone who's got an icom IC710 with an external tuner. It turn the power off before you unplug it, fellas. Alright. The second one is this one. We're going to bring this one up. This is GQRX SDR program running with a FunCube dongle on 40 meters. Now that's the trace that I would normally have, and the inadvertent key down scenario, that's the absolute swamping of the FunCube dongle. The FT950 was running at 40 watts on an external 5-band trap vertical, and the antenna inside was an indoor doublet in my loft with 450 ohm ribbon. That's the result. Now then, if this next picture is the right one, and they say a picture speaks 1,000 words, and it's very, very true. That is the same FunCube dongle taken that time apart from there to there, alright, with an attenuator put in line, and it's the same key down with the same 40 watts, same antenna setup, and that works. Okay, now this here is the heavier attenuation area for reception. It's still receiving. Still needs to be played around a little bit, but this is for an an SDR Play rsp2 that a friend of mine has purchased, and he wants to use it. So there you go, fellas. This is, I think, that's my cubic SDR running with an rsp2 on Linux. We're getting there. Still playing with this one. Still playing with this. It's an interesting system. This is the attenuator circuit. Please ignore this section here. This is not correct. It should be drawn. It should be in there like this. Alright. These are not IN914s, they're IN34As. But basically this is the circuit. Straight connection to port 1 and 2. Port 3 and 4 then go down to a pair of diodes decoupled. A 1 key rotary potentiometer just feeding the signal through minimum to maximum and then out. And apparently this will receive right through to VHF. The old man's been using it for about a fortnight now, and he's used it on HF. He's did some comparison tests with it, switched in, switched out, plugged in, not plugged in, and he's quite happy with it. It does several things. It cuts down on noise, the noise level flow. In minimum attenuation, it actually does lower the noise flow slightly. I can't give you exact figures. He has this one built over his house at the moment. I built this one just for him to try, and he's quite happy with it. So I'm going to now put it with a switched box on it and put 3 different antenna ports. So he's got HF, VHF, a VHF UHF antenna, and an ADSB up on 1 gigs plus. So there we go. That's this one, and we're going to try this, and hopefully we may be in with a shout with this new microphone. I do apologize for the previous microphone. It is very, very poor. I had a bad microphone and I didn't realize, so the audio on this one should be fine. Okay, thank you very much, and have a nice day wherever you are, and 7 3s for now. Bye bye.